Is your Roku frozen, glitchy, or giving errors? A factory reset will wipe all settings and restore it to default. Let's get your Roku working like new. Let's get started. Method 1. Reset from settings. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Go to Settings, then go to System, then Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset and enter the on-screen code. Select Start Factory Reset and press OK button in Remote. Roku will restart and restore to default settings. Set up it again from starting. Method 2. Hard Reset without remote. If your Roku is stuck or you lost the remote, locate the reset button, tiny hole, or reset button on the back or side of the device. Use a paper clip to press and hold the button for 10 seconds. Release when the Roku logo appears on screen. Wait for the setup screen and set up it again. Your Roku is now reset. Reinstall apps and log back in. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel for more tech guide. Thanks for watching.